Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review JetBrains AI Assistants. JetBrains AI Assistant is a smart tool integrated into IDEs like IntelliJ IDEs and PyCharm to boost coding efficiency. It uses AI to analyze your code, offer suggestions, explain errors, and even generate new code from plain language input. You can ask questions directly in the editor, and it will provide answer or relevant code snippets. It supports multiple languages and works seamlessly with JetBrains' smart code completion and analysis tools. Developers love how it saves time, eliminating the need to search for solutions online. It also helps with debugging, creating documentation, and understanding complex code. The tool integrates smoothly within the IDE, keeping everything in one place. Beginners can learn new concepts, while pros can improve productivity with faster coding. Some advanced features require a paid plan, and suggestions may not always be accurate. Overall, it's a valuable tool for making coding more efficient and less time-consuming. It's particularly useful for refactoring, flexing bugs, and enhancing code quality. JetBrains AI Assistant is a solid addition to any developer's toolkit, improving both learning and workflows. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.